How to bold text in WhatsApp. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to bold text on WhatsApp. Without further ado, let's get started. Open WhatsApp on your device. You will land on the chat section. Select the conversation where you want to send a bolded message. Tap on the message box at the bottom. To make bolded text in WhatsApp, follow these steps. Start by typing an asterisk, also known as star, then type in your message. Then type another asterisk, also known as a star, at the end of your message. For example, typing asterisk hello asterisk will display bolded hello text in WhatsApp. In summary, enclose your text with two asterisks, one at the beginning and another at the end to bold text on WhatsApp. Finally, tap the send button and boom! You have successfully learned how to bold text on WhatsApp. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.